Hello overcomers, God is opening doors for financial breakthrough. I'm so excited as we get into 2024. Let me show you something here. On October 4th, 2022, I paid this amount of money, $263.75, so that somebody on Fiverr can create me a faceless YouTube video. But today, I'm going to show you how to do this same thing just with a click of a button. Tell me overcomers, if we have any reason to not be able to make money online from now henceforth. I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own faceless YouTube channel. So follow me and see what we are going to do, overcomers. I'm so excited. Let me just show you the power of what faceless YouTube channels can do. This is a faceless YouTube channel. It's called Factoria. You can go to YouTube and check it out. It's called Factoria. It has uploaded only 24 videos, and guess what? It already has 66,000 subscribers. So if you look at this channel, it's an educational channel. It's doing videos on how to. Let's take, for example, let's just go and look for the popular ones. So look at, it's showing here how chocolate is made, how cement is made, how sugar is made, how pencil is made. It's just showing how things are being made, right? Let's say, for example, that we want to make this one, how ice cream is made. So it's about 5 minutes, right? So I encourage you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to be showing you how you can monetize your faceless YouTube channel from day one, and how you can also create viral YouTube videos. So you can click on the InVideo link down below, and then it will bring you to a page like this. So you can use like a Google account to be able to create an account. And then when you create an account, it will bring you to a place like this. So when you come here, so you can just type how ice cream is made. You can come here under select workflow. If you want to create a YouTube short, a YouTube explainer. So let's go with this one. These are different things, recent events, which we are going to talk about this one too. So let's click here. Now when you click here, it's going to give you all this opening. So how long do you want your video to be? So let's say 5 minutes, because the video we looked at was almost 5 minutes. So if you have any specific thing that you want them to talk about, or things that you don't want to talk about, you put it here. So I don't even want to bother myself about that for now. So here, I'm just going to put again how ice cream is made. So at this time, I'm just going to add here and make the video engaging, make it epic, and add some interesting humor in the video. So, and I want it to help me make it with a deep British male voice. So you can just come to this place and specify what you want. So what background music do you want? So since I don't know what I want, I'll just put something like happy. And then here, any gender, I already said I want a male. Any voice, I don't have a specific voice, so I'll just leave that for them to pick any voice for me. And yes, I want them to add subtitles, and I'll just add here. So if I have a particular name for my channel, I can put it here. So, and I want it to use stock footages. So that's just everything. So I'll come here and I'll click continue. And this is a summary of the request we have given. I'm just editing it here. Yes, perfect. And now everything is okay, everything looks good. You just come here and then you generate. It's going to take some few minutes depending on how long your video is, and it's going to generate everything for you. Overcomers, you'll be amazed at what this one click is going to do. So now it now bring the audience, it bring the look and feel how you want it to be, and then the platform is YouTube. So you can make it for ice cream lovers. Let's just leave it how it is right now, and then you click continue. Now it's going to generate our video. So overcomers, I just want to let you know that in as much as many people are in debt, many people are suffering financially, people around the world, all over the world, they are also making much money from online. The season in which we are living, especially as we move into 2024, there is no reason for anybody to be poor. There is no reason for anybody to be suffering financially. There is no reason for anybody to be stuck to a job they don't like. There is no reason, overcomers, because we have the ability to change our lives. We have the ability to change things. And one thing that I know is that God created us as creative beings. If we are not being creative, we are not feeling fulfilled in life. The more we use our creativity, the things that God has placed in us, the more we become fulfilled in life. And so in as much as you are working your full-time job, I just want to encourage you to make sure you are doing something on the side. There are just so many different business ideas that I'm showing on this channel. And the way you can even start monetizing this channel from day one is to also start promoting affiliate products. So overcomers, our video is ready. Just look at this first ice cream that they put here. It's so beautiful. So if we play it, we are going to hear the video. So overcomers, let's just listen to it. Pay attention to the voice. This is epic.
It's the magic of ice cream, a treat loved by many across the globe. But have you ever wondered about the journey of this delightful dessert from the factory to your freezer? Now, wouldn't you like to know how this delightful dessert is made? Well, you're in luck. The creation of ice cream begins with just a few simple ingredients: milk, sugar, and cream. Now let's dive into the delicious details, shall we? Milk.
Wow, did you hear that? You can just come here. If there's anything you don't like, change it to a female voice. You can change it to a deeper voice. Anything that you want to put, you can just put here and then you generate. Now I just want us to come here. You click on edit. So if you want to edit the media, you can come here. See, it's on edit media, and so you can just come here and edit any of this. If you want to change anything here, let's say we click here and then you come here, you can search for the particular footage that you want. Maybe you do not like that one, so you can just come here and just put something like milk, and then you just search. It's going to bring a variety of milk, and then this is all about it. So you click on any one and then it's going to replace that particular one. You see how it just says here replace. So if you want to replace a particular one, then you just look, and let's say you want to replace it with this, you just click replace, and then it's just going to replace the one that was there. And then when you are done with that, you just apply the changes. If you've watched this video up to this point and you are getting any value, I want to encourage you to give the video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, share the video with someone, and subscribe to become a part of the family if you've not yet subscribed. And if you want to edit a script, you just come here to edit script, and then it's going to bring the script up. And anything that you want to edit, you can just go to the script, change something. If you don't like milk, sugar, ice cream, you can just delete anything and then change it, and it's going to edit automatically on the video. Overcomer, can you imagine how easy this is? And then if you make any changes, you go ahead and then you apply. And if you don't like it at all, you just come here and you say create a new one. Like, it's going to recreate everything again. And then when you are done, when you are satisfied with everything, you just come here to export, continue here, and then you download your video. So it's going to export our video for us, and then you take this video and upload it to YouTube. Another secret that I want to show you that can help you to easily go viral is that you take trending topics that are already viral and then you create your video. Just go to Google like this and then go to Google Trend. So you can create your channel that is based on trending news, for example, and then you come here. This is already trending and it was posted 24 hours ago. This is already trending. These are things that are already trending. So you can just come here to this share, and then you copy it. You copy this trending news. So now it's going to ask you, what is a recent video, what is a recent event about? So you can just paste the link right here. That's the link we copied, and then you can decide what kind of voice, or deep voices are always really good. So you just take that, add subtitle. So I'll just come here, I'll copy the headline of the news item, and then I'll go back, and then I'm just going to put the news item here, and all of that, that's what I've done. And then I'm just going to generate. So I'm just going to generate it. InVideo AI is going to take that news item, that trending news, and it's going to create a video for you. So if you have a channel that you are putting trending news, like every time news just come out, guess what? Your channel is going to go viral immediately. You can create any kind of channel. You can create stories. Anything that you want to do, you can do. So it already brings it up to us, like football fans, entertainment, NBA followers. So whatever you want, dramatic, YouTube. So InVideo already give us like suggestion how the video is going to be good. So you just follow those things and then you create your video. So there is no excuse of our commerce. Yes, if I get it, if you don't want to be able to show your face on the camera like this, now with InVideo, you can easily create your own YouTube channel. Without a YouTube channel, I would never have met you. I would never have known you, right? It's because of YouTube that I came in contact with you, or it's because of YouTube that you came in contact with me. Going forward into 2024, there is nothing that is stopping us from changing our lives. And so if you want to change your voice again, just as we said, if you want to make any changes, you go ahead and make the changes here. So you can just watch the video and see if you need to make any changes. You just do exactly what we did. And so when everything is perfect of our commerce, you just come here and then you export your video. When you export your video, then you upload it to YouTube Overcomers. And the way you can start making money immediately on this channel is to start sharing affiliate links. So you see, like when you go below my videos, you will see so many affiliate links, and anytime that any of you click on those links and get any product, I get a commission for referring you to that product. That's exactly what you can start doing. Subsequently on the channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to get these links. If you've not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. So let's just play the video, and so you can also hear what happened.
Welcome to a spectacle of basketball mastery, where records are shattered and new heights are reached. On December 14th, 2023, the NBA world witnessed an extraordinary spectacle. The game was a clash of titans, the Los Angeles Clippers going head-to-head with the Golden State Warriors.
Overcomers, just imagine, look at how InVideo got these images, got the characters, got everything, and put it together for us. We didn't do any of that, just with a click of a button. I want to encourage you, it is time for us to change our lives. Remember, you are an overcomer, and it is time for you to go out there and begin to overcome. The year is coming to an end. I believe by now every one of us must have had at least 5 different sources of income, and as we get into 2024, things are getting even better. So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. If you've not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. And always remember that if you watch the video and you don't take any action, nothing is going to change. Things will only change when you begin to take action. It might be tough, but you will only get better as you improve 1% daily. If you've not yet liked the video, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and become a part of the Overcoming family if you've not yet subscribed. And love you all so much, Overcomers. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
It's been a while since we laid down.